Hi, boys and girls. Our story this week is called Baby Animals. All right, we're going to read it together and then use information from the story to answer some questions and complete some fill-in-the-blank sentences. All right, so baby animals. We've been learning all about animals this unit. All right, let's take a look. It says, baby animals look like their parents. They can look like their mother. They can look like their father, too. What baby animals do you see on this page? Yeah, a pig, and a dog, and a cat. Very nice. A baby animal's body will be covered like its parents. Baby animals can have fur. Can you think of an animal that has fur? Dogs have fur. Yeah, wow. Cat would have fur. Very good. Baby animals can have feathers. What animals have feathers? Birds. Yeah. Ducks. Very good. Baby animals can have scales. What's an animal that has scales? Fish. Yeah. Very nice job. Baby animals get their color from their parents. Baby animals can be white. Baby animals can be black. Baby animals can be many colors. Baby animals can have stripes. Can you think of an animal that has stripes? Zebras have stripes. Very good. Tigers have stripes. Baby animals can have spots. What's an animal that has spots? Is it cheetah? Yeah, wow. Giraffe. A Dalmatian. Yeah, that kind of dog could have spots. Very nice. Baby animals can have 2 legs or 4 legs. Baby animals can have wings or flippers. Baby animals will look like its parents. Right? So a baby dog is going to look like a dog, right? Because its parents are dogs. A baby penguin is going to look like its parents that are penguins. It would be silly if they looked like something different. Nice job reading, right? We're going to use some words to complete our sentences. So these are our words right here. Ready? Can you repeat them after me? Legs, colors, fur, parents, baby animals. Nice job. All right, we're going to use those words to complete these sentences. All right, I'm going to read them, and this activity is posted on Seesaw for you to complete, or it's in your ULS packet that was mailed out to you. All right, it says baby animals look like their, what do they look like? Oh, they look like mom or dad. They look like their parents. So we would drag that picture word over to the box to complete that sentence, or cut it out and paste it in. All right, number 2. A baby animal can have blank or feathers. What other kind of covering can they have besides feathers? Yeah, fur, right? Our story said that they could have fur. And if we're not sure, we can always look back in our story and find out. Right? Baby animals can have fur or feathers or scales. Number 3, baby animals can be many other. Blank can have stripes. And baby animals can have 2 or 4 what? Right? You're going to use those words that we read to complete those sentences. Nice job reading, and I can't wait to see your completed activity.